So I will show you how to fix and resolve. Pinterest is not opening and you are facing this problem. The connection was reset. So you can resolve this problem by trying this method. First one, open settings. Now here click on network and internet. Then advanced network settings. Then click on more network adapter options. Now right click on your network connection, then properties. Now here select internet protocol version 4, then properties and select this one. Use the following DNS server address and use this address at 8844. Then check this box, then click on OK. Now click on OK and restart your system. So this is the method, guys. You can try to resolve this problem. Still you are facing problem, so you can try a second method. Open network and internet, then advanced network settings, then here click on network reset and click on reset now. So reset your internet connection in your Windows system. Then once this done, so these are methods you can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.